If I was traveling, let's say 15 years ago, I was traveling to Europe or anywhere. And when I said I'm from Ukraine, not all of the people even knew about an existence of that country. So today it's not a deal. And unfortunately, because of the bad situation, because of the bad things which is happening right now in my country. But we are quite big country anyway. And I also think that it was like a big discovery for a lot of people. A lot of people saying me, oh, we didn't know that Spain is such a big country. And during last, I would say, decade, we were developing really fast, even especially in the winemaking, and I will speak about it a little bit later. And just saying briefly, saying generally, so we have in Ukraine, you see the map right now. So we are in the eastern part of Europe. We have two seas. We have Carpathian Mountains. We have Crimean Mountains. And just to give you an idea about the size of our country, so if you would go, let's say, from the east to the west, it's more than 1,500 kilometers from east to west, and from north to south, if you will go from the north, from Chernigiv, let's say, to Crimea, it's more than 1,000 kilometers.